In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete CamScanner account. First of all, open the CamScanner app. You can see over here I've already opened it. Tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is tap on this option Account. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the options related with the account over here. At top, you'll be able to see your name. Right next to it, you can see this option for change. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see your account informations over here. At bottom, you'll be able to find this option for delete account. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to delete your account. You'll be able to see the informations over here. Make sure to read all these information and scroll down. Tap on this option OK delete account that you can see at bottom. Now you'll have to confirm the cancellation of the account. What you have to do is simply check on the informations that you would like to delete. Check on the first box. Likewise, check on all the boxes. After you do that, tap on this option confirm account deletion that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option delete documents. Now you can see over here your account has been deleted. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you delete CamScanner account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.